So, tuloy natin yung college entrance exam. Practice problem, no? So, ito from algebra or pre-calculus, no? So, find the length of the latus rectum of the parabola x squared minus 6x is equal to 12y plus 51. So, ito yung choices nasa right side. Okay? So, if we recall, no? So, since x squared yan, so ibig sabihin, it's an upward parabola, no? Pinaka-standard form ng parabola natin ay x minus h squared is equal to 4a times y minus k, no? Okay. Wherein yung 4a natin ay yung length ng latus rectum natin, di ba? So, kailangan i-transform natin itong equation na to into this form, no? Standard form. Okay? So, we have x squared minus 6x is equal to 12y plus 51. Okay? So, gawin natin, completing the square muna. Okay? Paano tayo mag-completing the square? Divide mo tong term na may x sa 2. So, that's negative 6 over 2. That's negative 3. Then, yung negative 3 squared mo, negative 3 times negative 3, that's 9. So, ibig sabihin, magdadagdag tayo ng 9 both sides. Okay, plus 9 is equal to 12y. Siyempre, magdadagdag ka rin ng 9 dito sa right side, no? Para equal lang din. Okay? Now, ito, perfect square na siya. Okay? So, that's x minus 3. Okay, squared is equal to 12y plus 51 plus 9, 60. Okay? Di ba ito, common factor nila ay 12. Yung nasa right side. Okay? So, is equal to 12. Factor out mo lang yung 12. So, 12y divided by 12y na lang to. 60 divided by 12, 5. Okay? Pinactor out natin yung 12. Doon na siya. Naka-standard form na siya. Okay, katulad na siya nun. No standard form ng parabola. Now, ano hinahanap? Length ng latus rectum, which is equal to 12. Okay? So, ganun na siya kasimple, no? Ayun na yung ating final answer. Okay? So, the answer here is 12. Okay? So, simpleng ano lang siya, no? Completing the square. Okay? Para ma-transform mo yung given equation into standard form ng parabola. Then, ito na yung kanyang latus rectum, di ba? Yung 4a. Okay, which is equal to 12. So, yun lang. So, tutuloy pa natin to sa susunod.